In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your voiceover completely free of charge using an AI tool called Clipchamp. Okay, so to access Clipchamp, it is powered by Microsoft. You can come to clipchamp.com and then you can log in into your account. This is your dashboard after you follow through the login in either with your Microsoft account or with your Google account. So the next thing is to create a video. You can just go ahead and click on create a video, and then once you are here in this dashboard, you can come over to record and create. Then you'll be able to see audio over here, so you can click and this will give you the opportunity to record your audio. So you start by selecting this, where you can specify the microphone that you're going to use. Once you specify it, I'm going with the default system microphone, and once you're done, you can click on record. Hello and welcome to my channel. This is just a test of recording with Clipchamp video editor. So once you're done, you click on stop. You can retake. You can have a preview of what you have recorded. Hello and welcome to my channel. This is just a test of recording with Clipchamp video editor. So you see how clear this is. You can retake if you want, and then you can save and edit further in the timeline. Okay, and then you can proceed with your editing and then export it at a later time. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.